Hi, my name is Marilyn, and today we'll be unboxing the Aruba CX6000 24-port PoE switch.
The Aruba CX6000 switch series are a simple, reliable, and cost-effective family of enterprise-grade H switches. Let's get to the unboxing. Here is your safety, compliance, and warranty documentation. The CX6000 switch ships with a standard 19-inch rack mount kit and a power cord that is localized to your country. Now, let's have a closer look at the switch. On the front, you will find 24 gigabit PoE ports. On the left, there are 4 gigabit SFP uplink ports. Here are your LED status lights, USB auxiliary port, and the LED mode selector button. Underneath is the USB-C console port. And next to it is the reset button. You will need a pin to access it if you ever need to use it. At the back, you will find a power socket and a grounding lug. Air vents are located on both sides. Please note that the switch ingests cold air from the left and exhausts the hot air on the right-hand side. Keep that in mind when installing the switch to ensure optimal airflow and performance. And there you have it. Check out the Phoenix Pro Club YouTube channel for more unboxing and how-to videos. If you found this video useful, please click like and subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest content. Thank you for watching!